こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Mumu is going to make Miso, soy and Shiitake lettuce wraps. These fresh and flavorful lettuce wraps are delicious and healthy choice for many diets. Soy, mince and shiitake mushrooms are cooked in a sweet and savory umami-rich miso sauce. The bold flavors pairs perfectly with crisp, refreshing lettuce leaves, making this dish satisfying and easy to enjoy with plenty of lettuce. Okay, let's get started. Cut 3 to 4 shiitake mushrooms into small dice. Mince 1 spring onion and mince a small piece of ginger, about 1 teaspoon. Chop some peanuts. This is for garnish. Wash and remove outer leaves from little gem lettuces. You will need about 10 leaves. Pat them dry and arrange them on a plate. Today, Mumu uses little gem lettuce, but you can choose any kind you like, such as iceberg, butterhead, or romain. In a bowl, place 2 tablespoons of red miso paste, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of chilli flakes if you like a little kick. Mix well until the miso paste is completely dissolved. Heat 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the ginger, spring onions, and shiitake mushrooms. Stir fry until fragrant and softened. Add 200 grams of soy mince, either fresh or frozen works fine, and stir fry until it's cooked through. Pour in the sauce and stir fry until all the sauce is absorbed. Transfer the mixture to a serving bowl and spoon it into individual lettuce leaves. Top each one with the chopped peanuts and a few sprigs of cress for garnish. De kita! Mumu, how does it taste? Okay, Mumu said. The sweet and savory miso flavor goes so well with the crisp, fresh lettuce. It's light, but the umami makes it feel hearty and satisfying. Mumu is so happy she can enjoy lots of lettuce without getting bored. And now she's powered up with vitamins. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. バイバイ。またね